Hello class, this is the fourth video of the 5 that I have to present for module number 8, Google Sites, for AEP 873. This is Trent Speck talking about how to insert docs and pictures. So right here I'm on my home page for my personal finance, my Google Sites, and it's kind of bland, of course. I have the sidebar here, and I have some different sub pages, and I created my life, but now I want to start spicing it up and start adding some pictures and maybe some Google Docs and etc. So what I can do is go to edit page. So I go to edit page, and I'm going to scroll down. I already have these text boxes introduced. I'm going to call it well, this is home page. I'm going to call this personal finance intro. Okay. And then I can add some text here, but I'm going to insert a picture. So I'm going to go to search images. Right here, I can upload an image from like a flash drive or something like that. So here's my flash drive, and I just saved a picture that I've already uploaded or saved to my flash drive, and boom, voila. I'm going to OK it. So all of a sudden it's right here. I'm going to remove the link that it came from and make it a little bit smaller. Right here, smaller, and then I can align the text. I can say personal. Oops, let's go forward. So I can align the text how I want it. If I click on the video, I can make it right align, I can make it left align, I can make it center where the words go through. I'm gonna make it right align, and I can type here on the left if I wanted to, personal finance introduction. And I could put some more words right here if I wanted to, more words right here, describing the class, describing maybe inserting a syllabus right here. And how you insert a syllabus is kind of the same thing. I can insert, well, say it's not on my flash drive, say it's on my Google Drive. I can go to Google Doc, I can go to right here on documents. Now if it's already there, let's just add something. Of course I'm not signed into my high school email account, so I don't have any of my stuff for the high school on here, but say I have just something right, I'm sorry, I'll just pick something right here. Okay, I can do this, and I can make it AEP 867 right there, and it shows up right there as a link. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, but that is how you do it so far. So let's see what it looks like once I save it. So if this was like the syllabus, they could click on this and it would be a direct link to there, and they can look at it, and it will show them what the syllabus is talking about. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you enjoyed that video number 4 for this.